do it, Daddy.
Hey everybody, it's me, Remy, the comic book poser, and we're here today to welcome you to Enter the Poserverse. We had such a good first round of boxes
Daddy!
from Mystery Grail that we're going to do it again. So to see how we do this time around, you'll have to check it out after this. Okay.
After this. Stop.
Okay. So in our first round of Mystery Grail boxes, we pulled 2 of their Grails. Miss Ainsley pulled a $220 Agent Venom, and Daddy pulled a $60 Opie. So, how many boxes do we have over here, Ains?
5.
Try again.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
We have 4.
4.
So,
That's right, 4 years old!
that's right, you are 4 years old. Okay, so Ainsley, do you want box 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Man, it's so easy.
You want number 1? Okay, hold your box for a second.
Charlie,
Charlie, do you want 2, 3, or 4?
I get 2.
Number 4. Okay, Charlie, Toby, do you want box 2 or 3?
3.
Okay, come here, bud.
This one.
No, you wanted box 4.
2.
So this one's Toby's. Okay,
2.
so everybody hold their box. Here, I'm gonna set that down.
Okay.
Okay, so can we let Charlie open his box first since he wasn't with us last time? I don't think he was with us. I don't know.
I was
Alright.
ready to do that. Go ahead, bud.
Ready, Charlie?
Go, bud. Ready.
1, 2, 3. Open it. Open it. Charlie got
Are you serious, Daddy?
Jean Lafoot
And he is a pirate. Is he a wrestler?
from Captain Crunch.
Is he
And
a pirate?
we got our scratch-off ticket, but Charlie knows what he's looking for. Charlie is looking for some candy.
My turn.
Hold on.
No, my turn first.
Hold on.
Second. My turn.
Charlie, can I put you down, bud?
My turn. It's okay.
Hold on. Stop, Toby. Be patient.
I need my turn.
Charlie, do you want me to open that for you?
My turn.
Hold on. Be patient. Be patient.
Next to mommy. Next up, me.
Okay, we'll do Toby next. Only because, Ainsley, I think you have really good luck, and we'll open something really good. So can you move for a second so you're not in Toby's way? Okay, hold on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Toby pulled a Grail.
A Grail?
Oh, what are you just looking for the candy?
Yep.
All right, so yes.
I'm having both.
Okay, now hold on.
I'm having both. Down,
Toby pulled a Super Saiyan God Goku.
Wait, Daddy. Daddy, can I look, please?
You, like Ainsley did last time, pulled a really good one.
Hang on, Daddy. Can I look at the back? At the back pop? Yes. Wait, do I have that?
Nope, we don't collect this kind.
Well, yeah, we don't.
All right, Ainsley's turn.
My turn. Can I have both?
We know Ainsley's looking for the candy. Hold on.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Ainsley got... You can look for your candy now. Ainsley got a Romeo
Where's my candy?
from Romeo and Juliet.
Where's my... Can I have both?
Yep.
Hey,
All right.
I love it.
And we'll do Daddy's last. So let's see how Daddy did. Or if Toby pulled our only Grail of the day. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Open it.
Oh, we got another Grail. And it is something that Daddy absolutely loves. Watch out.
Sorry. My bad.
we've got not just the Punisher from the Netflix Daredevil show,
Toby, can I
but
see?
the Chase
Yeah,
version.
Daddy, can I see? I got
So,
candy.
Toby and Daddy both pulled Grails today. So,
I pulled my grill.
and Ainsley pulled her Grail. So, Tobes, can you get down for a sec? Okay.
I'm just kidding.
So, let's see how we did. In our first round of Mystery Grail, everything was over box value, because these are $15 shipped. So, let's do Toby and Daddy's last.
First time, but I don't have a good one.
Hold on, we're not done. Alright,
Oh.
so Ainsley's Romeo and Juliet is coming in at...
I think it's what we're saying.
Alright, regular Romeo is $4, so a loss there. Charlie's Jean Lafute.
Is he a wrestler?
No, he's a pirate from a kind of cereal. Came in at $24, so that's over box value, so $29 out of $30 between Charlie and Ainsley's boxes. Alright, Toby, we doing Toby's next or Daddy's next?
Mine.
Toby's next?
Because I think I'm gonna win.
You think you're gonna win?
Yep. But you'll die.
Toby's Super Saiyan Goku, or Super Saiyan God Goku, came in at $100.
They won.
We'll see. So Daddy's has to come in at $101. And, of course, it has a sticker on it. So let's type in Punisher. And it's the Chase with the Daredevil mask coming in at $55.
Did I win?
So what number is bigger, 100 or 55?
100.
Did you win?
Yeah.
You won.
I did?
You did.
I won! I am the greatest!
Toby is the greatest.
I beat my family!
High five. All right, so that's 2 good
Avery,
weeks.
guess what? I won the second round!
That's 2 good weeks of Mystery Grail for us. So you better believe that I'm going to try and pick up 4 more on this Sunday. Because that's been... So, all in all, a good bit. We will definitely be rocking the Daredevil in the personal collection, but the Super Saiyan Goku God Mode Goku, whatever. We will see what we do with that. So as always, everybody, thanks for stopping by. And have a good one. Say have a good one. Oh, she's magically shy now. Alright. Say bye.
What is in the